In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to regain access to your account without complications. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Locate the settings menu, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots or lines in the upper right corner of the window. Click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu where you can find the option for settings. Once you are in the settings section, look for a search bar at the top of the page. Type in cache and wait for the results to populate. You should see an option labeled delete browsing data. Click on this option to proceed. After selecting delete browsing data, a new window will appear, providing you with options for what data to clear. Ensure that both cached images and files and cookies and other site data are checked. Once you have made your selections, click the clear data button to initiate the process. Depending on your internet speed and the amount of data, this may take a few moments. Next, navigate back to the settings menu and search for cookies to locate the option titled third-party cookies. Click on this to manage cookie settings. Here you will find the option to view all site data and permissions. Select this option to continue. In the site data section, utilize the search bar to find Elevenlabs. This will filter the results to show only the related data. Once you see Elevenlabs listed, click on it to view the stored cookies and other site data. After reviewing, you can delete these cookies by clicking the appropriate option. This action is crucial as it helps eliminate any conflicting data that may be causing the error. After deleting the cookies associated with Elevenlabs, refresh the Elevenlabs page. This can be done by clicking the refresh button in your browser or pressing F5 on your keyboard. Once the page reloads, check if the unusual activity detected error has been resolved. If the issue persists, consider checking your internet connection and ensuring that your browser is up to date. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.